Guys, I'm here in Alaska. I'm gonna go on a bike ride. I rented this badass bike here from the hotel. So I don't know, I think I'm gonna go to Earthquake Park or something. I don't really know. I'm just gonna go until I feel like I shouldn't go anymore. So let's find out. It's kind of surreal. The mountains in the back. Some forest over here. Absolutely nothing. Clear, beautiful, quiet, serene even. I don't know. It's pretty great. I'll take it. Just pray I don't get mauled by bears or a bear. Maybe like bear cubs even. They probably kick my ass. I don't even know. I never touched a bear or fought a bear or seen a bear. But there could be bears. How fast do bears even run? Like how fast do I gotta pedal to get away from a bear? And how long can they maintain the speed? Because I have a specific set of skills that it doesn't involve running from bears. It's not part of my training. Ignore my heavy breathing. Kind of sprinting. And the coast. Almost thought that these mountains were clouds, and then it looks like they're floating above the water, which is I don't know, pretty spectacular sight. They look way bigger in person, like from where I'm at, but camera perspective skews it. All right, so it's 54 degrees outside. I'm at the shore. I just gotta know, what does this water feel like? Let's find out. All right, ready guys? It's actually kind of nice. I'm not gonna lie, it's kind of nice. Might go for a little skinny dip. All right. No, that actually feels great. Being goth in Alaska is not all talk crack up to you, man. Why did I decide to wear black? All black long. Everything. It's like 54, I get it, but mountain biking? Something's wrong with me. Started this video a little late because I don't normally make vlogs, but I felt like this is something that should be documented. So I rented a mountain bike from the hotel I'm staying at. Decided to ride along this path that kind of found on the map. Not really sure of the path name, but I will find that and I will give it to you later. But I just wanted to show you how amazing this place is. It's kind of breathtaking, astounding. It's very free, natural, green, lush. There's a lot of nice people. If you're thinking about coming to Anchorage or Alaska in general, I recommend it. Just come. I haven't seen any bears yet, but I sincerely hope I don't, because I'm not prepared for bears. I am a city boy, slowly transitioning into a free life of less city. If you're like me at all and you are starting to detest the city and the rat race and you want to get out and just explore, I definitely recommend coming to Alaska. There's nothing like it. I mean, it's breathtaking, as you can tell. I'll shut up now and just get some footage of the foliage and everything for you guys. So I'm not sure how much you guys can see me, but the beautiful thing about this trail is there's multiple stops along the coast, and you can kind of see different parts of Alaska. You can catch the mountains in the background. I don't know if you can see over there. It looks like clouds probably to you guys, but that's some of the distant mountains. I'm not sure the mountain range names. I'm pretty new to this area as of like 3 days ago, and I'm only here for work, but taking this opportunity to kind of explore and see some more. So I will find the name of this trail and I will put it in the link below the video here. Make sure you like and subscribe to this video if you want to see more of this. Thank you. Oh, looks like my seat has been knocked loose a little bit, guys. Not what you want when you're going through the goodness. You know what I'm saying? All right, give me 1 second. Looks like I'm not able to adjust my seat, so I'm just going to deal with it. Made it out of the thick forest area, and there's a little kind of plateau here with just an open field. It's very nice. I was getting a little bit nervous inside of the forest just because it was getting dense, and I'm not from here. I have no idea what to expect. Although, I feel like it's relatively safe since people are riding bikes with their children. I assume, you know, either they have shotguns on them or or they're just not concerned. I'm sure it's relatively safe. This is right near the airport. There's some traffic nearby too on some of the highways, if you can call them highways. I don't really know. Okay, well, let's continue. So I got about 5 more miles until I get back to the city road, and then probably another 5 miles. I might end up doing like 15, 20 miles. I don't know. I'm not really concerned. But let's go back to this dense forest now. It's one of those little park benches that I was talking about, one of the outlets. You can kind of stop and catch your breath if you're not losing it from the scenery. It's pretty amazing. Again, I apologize for my deep breathing. I'm kind of huffing it. It's gorgeous. All right. Ooh. No hands, Mom. About as impressive as going to Walmart to buy socks. By the way, none of this is photoshopped. It's just this green. I don't have saturation settings up on my camera or anything. It's just raw. Pretty sure I could live right here. We're getting pretty winded. Not really sure how much further I have to go. Probably like 4 or 5 miles before I get to the city off the trail. Guess we'll find out. I'm not pressed. Guys, that trail is a killer. I didn't realize the incline was gonna be forever. Yeah, I'm not conditioned for this shit. Okay, bye. Hey guys, made it back. I didn't film myself going in the hotel, but now I'm just like laying down, had a couple beers in the bar, and I'm watching Ghostbusters, I guess. I don't know, man. It was a great ride. It was an amazing ride. I'm moving in. Venmo me all your money. Okay, bye.